What up guys, welcome to another video. Today we're doing a massive test on a cool product, but before we get started, to keep it completely fair, it's about 86 degrees out in Phoenix, Arizona right now at the end of May. Can't believe it. I don't know how it's this nice, but that is the temp outside, so water dries quick but not as fast as it would at 120 degrees in the summer. So this is an accurate summertime across the US. So we have my cousin's F450 here that is completely trick. I wanted to get this truck because it's huge and I want to run this test as accurate as possible. So what we're going to do here first, before we test this product, we're going to get the truck completely wet, and I want to show you firsthand, watch me spray it off, because we're going to get it soaking wet as possible. Introduce a product and my cousin slash best friend Parker. This is Parker. Parker, anything to say other than hi?
Hi.
If you guys are Parker's age or older, younger, you like off-road, scooters, things like that, hit up his channel. I'm gonna leave the link in the description, but he is holding the Griot Garage extra large PFM edgeless drying towel, 1044 square inches of thirsty ultra premium microfiber, more drying, little to no wringing out for faster vehicle drying. Ultra premium microfiber holds up to 5 pounds of water. 5 pounds of water, that's a ton. So we're gonna crack this open. No, you're good. Here's Tanner. Tanner's got home. You guys missed the exhaust video and telling you like Mustangs, you should go check it out. What up? Alright, we got our towel. Parker, you grab one side, let's show them how big it is. It's almost as big as your normal shower towel, but not. But it's pretty thick. What do you think? How does it feel?
It's like a normal shower towel folded in half almost.
It's like a normal shower towel folded in half. Tanner, what do you think about this?
I feel like a woman would love this if they had really long hair after a shower.
Yeah, it soak up a bunch of water.
Yeah.
Alright.
Or you two. If you guys have really long hair.
Jokes? Alright. Pull one. Already got a lot of water. Oh, and another reason I had Parker here is to be the judge. He's going to tell me if I miss any drop of water, because we want to get every single drop of water off with this towel without wringing it out, if possible. The towel is about 3 times as heavy. It's getting to be a workout, but not heavy enough to scare me yet, because I haven't really grabbed the edges that are kind of dry, so I have those to save when in doubt. I'm already super impressed. This is like ridiculous because it's not leaving any crazy streaks. It's actually soaking all of it up. It's cool when it's big because like stuff like this you can just hug. You can kind of get the bottom, the top, and then pull it off. I'm not stressing on detailing this. This is strictly to soak up water, so you're gonna see some bugs and things like that. We're not gonna worry about it. I am noticing, since it carries a lot of water but it doesn't like drip out of it, the little bit of water in it, any spot that I miss that's not clean, there's enough water in it, just kind of wipes it clean, which is nice. Normally you have a newer rag and then it's too dry and it doesn't clean it, it just kind of smears it. Just finished. Parker, did we pass your test?
Yeah, I think it soaked up all the drops, and I can't find any water or little pieces left. It's a lot heavier than it actually was in the beginning, but it's not like drenched in water. It's still kind of...
Yeah, it doesn't drip or anything. It's nice, huh? Cool. All right, well, we passed the Parker test. We did the whole body of this massive F450. Now, we're gonna see if we can clean the wheels and get all the water off them with the same rag without wringing it out. This is a big dish to hold a lot of water. There's actually a puddle of water in this rim right here, and I just pressed a bunch of the towel into it and it soaked it all up, so there's no more puddle of water, so when you take off it doesn't get slung everywhere. You'll be good to go. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. This towel is amazing. Got the whole car dry, the whole freaking truck dry, and the wheels and everything. It's about 86 outside, like I said, so it's not 120, it doesn't dry fast. This is normal temperature for summer. I highly recommend this towel. It's a more expensive towel than you're used to, but it does a better job than you're used to as well. Thank you Superior Image Car Care for sponsoring this product. If you guys want to check it out, you can go to their Amazon page, which I'll leave a link in the description. Helps them out, helps me out. Local company, we're coming out with some detailed products soon. So they'll be all Karma brand, and their Superior Image products are co-brand, and their amazing detail spray, glass cleaner, and tire shine. And then we have our Baja Blast detail spray coming soon. It's gonna be lit. I'm gonna leave this Instagram picture on the screen right now of the prototype. So if you guys aren't following me on Instagram, check that out as well. I really appreciate you guys watching the video. Don't forget to go snag one of these. Link in the description. I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.